How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So, in order to hide your photos on Instagram without deleting, you can archive them. This will allow you to remove posts from your profile while keeping them private and retrievable at any time. So, here's how you can archive your photos. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, from your profile or from the home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you get to your profile page, here scroll down a bit. And here, find the post that you want to hide. Tap on it. After that, head towards the top right and tap on the three line icon. From this menu bar, you have to tap on archive. Now this post will disappear from your profile but will remain in your archived folder. Now in order to view or restore your archive post, again from your profile, tap on the three line at the top right. From the settings and activity, there you have an option as archive, tap on it. And here at the top, tap on this drop down, now select your post archive. Now in order to restore a post, you have to tap on it. Tap on the three line icon at the top right and here tap on show on profile, and now this post will get back to your profile in Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.